ready to turn your Mac into an X-generating machine. Well, hold that thought because the reality of mining XRP on a Mac is complicated. First, let's clear up a common misconception: you can't directly mine XRP in the traditional sense like you would with Bitcoin. XRP operates on a different consensus mechanism, using a network of validators instead of proof of work. This means your Mac's processing power can't be directly used to solve complex cryptographic puzzles and earn XRP. There's no official XRP mining software, so how do people get XRP through their computers? The main workaround involves cloud mining. You essentially rent computing power from a data center to mine other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, then potentially exchange those earnings for XRP. Search for reputable cloud mining services, create an account and choose the plan that fits you. Then, you can use the profits that are mined to trade for XRP. Once you've accumulated some crypto, head over to an exchange where you can trade the mined crypto to XRP. Make sure you choose a secure and trustworthy exchange. While not direct mining, this approach can indirectly get you some XRP through your Mac. If you want to learn more about other alternatives to earning crypto, leave a question below.